Hello friends, welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn that how to release advance to a vendor. Okay? Means we will learn to release the advance amount to a vendor. Okay? Let's start now. To release the advance amount to a vendor, the T code is F-47. Okay? You can also search it in SAP menu. You can see my display. Here is the SAP menu, right? Click on this, click on accounting, right? Click on document entry, click on down payment. This is the T code F-47. Before releasing the advance, you need to raise a request first. Okay, so we need to create a request. The T code will be F-47. Yeah, system is asking the document date. Today is 3rd September, so we will put 3rd September as document date. KA. What KA type represents? You can search this by clicking on search bar. KA vendor document. Okay, so double click on vendor account, company code AON, currency rate INR. Okay, reference advance payment, document header is advance payment. Okay, vendor account. Okay, you need to search a vendor by clicking on search bar. Here you need to uh, search a vendor in which GL ledger you need to process the advance request. Okay, suppose I am searching Dell Private Limited. Here is the vendor code of Dell Private Limited 400056. Double click and select it. Okay, special GL. Okay, as earlier I told you all that we are going to release the advance payment. So what will be the special GL? Need to find to to search, click on search bar. Here is the down payment to vendor. Okay, special GL would be A, right? Double click on it. Okay, then press enter. Here is the amount. System is asking the amount. Okay, need to put the amount. Suppose 10,000 I want to give the advance amount. Okay, due on today's date 3rd September 2024. Okay, put the business area. Okay, I didn't created any business area because this is testing server. So but on PRD server, means production server, you need to put the business area and company code also. Okay, assignment, put the vendor code and text advance payment to Dell Private Limited. Okay, then press enter. Okay, now go to document and post it. Click on post. You can also save this by clicking Ctrl plus S button in your laptop. Okay, here you have generated a request to release the advance payment to Dell Private Limited. The request number is 17016. Okay, after that again go to the display screen. Right now we have created the request only. Okay, now need to release the down payment. So the T code is F-48. Okay, double click on it. System is asking again document date. Today is 3rd September. Okay, type KZ. What KZ represents? Click on search bar. Here vendor payment, right? Double click on it. Reference advance payment, document header is advance payment, vendor. Need to put the vendor account 400056. You know very well that we are releasing an advance to Dell Private Limited. So we will put the vendor code of this party. Okay. Special GL indicator. In earlier scheme, I have selected A as a special GL. What A represents? Down payment. Okay. Bank. Now system is asking the bank account GL. Okay. So our GL is 443210. What 443210 represents? Double click on search bar. Press enter. Here SBI outgoing bank account. Okay. You need to select the outgoing bank account. Okay. Double click on it. Amount will remain same, 10,000. Business area, need to put the value of business area in production server. Okay, right now I am just showing in test server, so I willn't select any business area or put any value for this area. Okay, value date today is 3rd September, so put the value date and tax. Again, advance payment to Dell Private Limited. Now click on enter. System is again asking, put star button, assignment 400056, and text advance payment to Dell Private Limited. Click on enter. Here the amount will be come to your screen. Okay, now click on document, get it simulated by pressing the simulate button. Here you can check the entry that Dell Private Limited is get debiting and SBI outgoing bank is being credited. Okay, so click to save. Here is the document number through 15030 we have posted. We have released the advance payment to Dell Private Limited. Hope you all learn from today's session. If you like my video, please press like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much guys. We will meet again to all of you with a new video. Okay, thank you very much.